Must graduates work in big offices? This is a question we can debate on. It is the desire of everybody to go through primary school, get into high school, go to university or college successfully, and then secure a job in an office. But the question is this always true? Does it always happen this way in our lives? What if I finish campus, then I don't secure a job in an office? Will I be a failure? These are questions that ring in our minds every day. They make us to want to work so hard just to be seen working in that dream office. The society has sold to us this belief that if you cannot work for someone in an office, then you are not successful. Today I have come with a different approach. To be honest, I have never thought of working in an office for someone. Not that I cannot work in an office, but that I found my passion and I am following it to see it fulfilled. I have always viewed myself as someone who stands out of the rest, not wanting to be like so and so. I have successfully cleared campus. I have the papers with me, but does it worry me that I am not working in an office? Of course not. Right now I am at a cyber, which belongs to my church, and I look at the experience I have with my clients every day. It is more than what I could get in an office. I do tasks that no graduate dreams of doing. I help different kinds of people fix what is challenging them on internet. And I leave them smiling, having achieved what they needed. I do all this with joy because I believe this is a good exposure to what really life is all about. Life has a lot of curves. It does not always give us straight lines. I enjoy serving people because I know that leaders serve. I have met clients who at first ignored my presence, who just viewed me like a cyber boy, but eventually I got them surprised after helping them solve their hardest problems on the internet. And all they could say is many thanks. Do you know what? This is what makes me happier. Seeing clients who came to me desperate and thereafter left happy. Here is my point. Stop filling your mind with thoughts that you must work in an office for you to be successful. Find something you love, something you are passionate about, and do it to your best. I guarantee you this will bring peace and joy in your heart. For me, I found passion in making YouTube videos. I found joy in being among the best YouTubers on planet Earth. I run 2 successful channels. I devote my time in what I love doing. And I tell you what, I am happier than never before. Many people have come to me and asked me what my plan is after I have completed university. And all I could say is I want to become an influential YouTuber. I have refused to think like a slave and think like a victor in every circumstance. So my friend, it is you to decide. Do you want to be happy, or do you want to make other people feel happy about you? Do you want to do things to please other people? My parting shot is, find something that you love, something that will make you happy, and do it with all of your heart. And I guarantee you, you will be the happiest man on this planet.